This how to 1 minute will show you how to add a sidebar menu in Shopify. Log into your Shopify admin panel and click on Add Apps and click on Shopify App Store. Click on this search box and type here sidebar menu. And here we are going to use this Quickify app to create sidebar menu. So click on it and install the app. Click on install app. And now you will jump into this page. From here you can easily create and customize your custom menu. To add or create a new menu, click on add a new menu, and here you will get menu samples. You can select any of them. So I'm gonna picking this one. Once the menu selected, it's time to customize this menu. So hover over on menu items and click on. So expand the menu and select the item that want to change, and from here you can change menu items. And you can disable link, and you can enable open link in a new tab, and you can enable display as heading menu. You can hide the menu in desktop or mobile from here. So this is how you have to customize the menu. And to add a new menu item, click on add new menu. Now enter the so after that click on save, and the menu will be added to your website. So this is how we can do it. If you find this video helpful, make sure to subscribe how to 1 minute. See you in the next video.